Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to identify plants with your iPhone. Your iPhone can help identify plants using built-in features and plant identification apps. The Photos app on newer versions of iOS includes a visual lookup feature that can recognize many plants from pictures. Follow these steps to identify plants with your iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the camera app. Point the camera at the plant you want to identify. Make sure the plant is well lit and in focus. Take a clear photo of the plant, then open the Photos app. Locate and open the photo you just took. Look for the visual lookup icon on the photo. Tap the visual lookup icon, then select the plant identification option. If it appears, then tap continue. And here, review the suggested plant matches. Then compare the results with the plant in your photo. Read the information provided about the identified plant. Then save or share the results if you want to reference them later. For the best results, take photos that clearly show the plant's leaves, flowers, or other distinctive features. And if visual lookup cannot identify the plant, try taking additional photos from different angles. You can also use specialized apps such as PlantNet or Picture This for more identification options. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.